tell you all about why we gotta go. Oh. See, nobody can tell me it would've been ugly until we can know that we're never gonna be the somebody with no way to get them to obey. Then you can be anyone that you wanna be. You tell nothing but lies, I can see it in your eyes. There's something to hide, why don't you show it to me? No point trying to read minds, I see in between lines. You gotta be so lonely. And if I knew what I know now, I'd be another minute ready for no good news again. Gotta get to the only hope within thickness of my blood.